Join me as I try out this avocado hack for glowing skin and better gut health for a whole week and see if it really works. Avocado hacks are all the rage in the beauty and health world for 2024, and for good reason. Not only can they help you achieve that coveted glow, but they can also support better gut health, which we all know is the foundation of overall wellness. Our skin is constantly battling against environmental stressors, lack of sleep, and poor diet, leading to issues like acne, dullness, and premature aging. And when it comes to our gut, many of us are dealing with digestive problems like bloating, cramps, and low energy. It's no wonder we're desperate for natural solutions that can help alleviate these problems. We're bombarded with marketed products claiming to hold the secret to perfect skin and a healthy gut, but often these solutions are synthetic, expensive, and don't even work. That's why I'm excited to dive into the world of avocado hacks, which are not only affordable but also backed by science. From hormonal imbalances to chronic inflammation, the root causes of our skin and gut issues are complex, but one thing is certain: we need to get back to basics and focus on nourishing our bodies with whole, nutrient-dense foods like avocados. Avocados are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants that can help to calm inflammation, support cell regeneration, and even balance our hormones. But what makes them so special is their unique combination of vitamins and minerals, which can have a profound impact on our skin and gut health. One of the key nutrients in avocados is vitamin E, an antioxidant powerhouse that helps to protect our skin from environmental stressors and promote collagen production. Another important nutrient is potassium, which can help to balance fluid levels in the body and reduce the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. Avocados are also rich in polyphenols, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. And let's not forget about the omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for healthy skin and hair growth. So, what's the ultimate avocado hack that can help you achieve glowing skin and better gut health? It's incredibly simple, and that's what I love about it. You're gonna love this. It's a face mask and a gut-healthy snack, all in one. To make the ultimate avocado hack, you'll need a ripe avocado, a tablespoon of honey, and a sprinkle of salt. Yes, you read that right, salt. Mash the avocado in a bowl until it's smooth, then mix in the honey and salt. Apply the mask to your face, avoiding the eye area, and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. While the mask is working its magic, you can prepare the snack portion of this hack. Simply slice up the remaining avocado and sprinkle it with some red pepper flakes. This will help to increase the absorption of the nutrients. Enjoy your snack as you go about your day, and don't forget to drink plenty of water to help your body absorb all the goodness. The results of incorporating this avocado hack into your routine are truly remarkable. Not only will you notice a significant improvement in your skin's tone and texture, but you'll also experience a reduction in bloating and digestive discomfort. So, don't forget to hit that like button if you're excited to try out this avocado hack for glowing skin and better gut health. Share your experiences with me in the comments below, and if you're new here, consider subscribing for more health and beauty tips that actually work.